接下下来看他山之上，纽西兰嘅专题报道。喺纽西兰毛利人能差唔多66万3人，不过现在140年，英国殖民政府同毛利部落等嘅会同意条约，毛利人嘅文化、韩国自然资产都会受到保障。下系为政府也爱承认一则条约。而家纽西兰政府当年用提毛利相关事务嘅经费，大概6亿纽币，差唔多系新台币135亿哦。毛利人人文化嘅能见度，贵重也提升嚟许多。唔过问毛利人端正复苏一下，大部分三咩按傾聽。紐西蘭國家博物館第8排用毛利人做名嘅，意思係顏人嘅地方。毛利人佔紐西蘭人口冇15%，唔過民間到政府陸地，現正有毛利文化。紐西蘭能同世界上其他國家冇共用，故所毛利人提供向兩位能見度引來引過。
We have plays, poems, short stories, novels, all now written in Māori. We even have some translations of William Shakespeare's stuff, which has been put into Māori and acted. We have music, videos, magazines, all of those sorts of things in Māori. We have computer programs that are in Māori.
Download applications onto your cell phones whereby you can have little phrases and learn, so you're learning Māori in a modern way. I'm not sure about the iPods, but Google has been translated into Māori. AUT, University in Auckland, have a very strong program of being able to learn Māori online.
想學好毛利語唔驚無奈何學，除咗以外，紐西蘭教育部、毛利事務部也都單位都會定期做調查，了解毛利語嘅康健狀況。咩因為安尼發現呢？大家對毛利語嘅態度原來認正面，唔過冇聽錯積極。
We run that every 3 years, and generally it's shown positive results. You know, the status of the language, people have a very positive attitude towards the language. And you probably go on to talk about this. The challenge, though, is that doesn't necessarily translate to people learning the language or being able to use it. Yeah. You know, people can say, yes, Māori language, I think it's great, but I'm not going to do anything about learning it or to try and use it.
另一方面，毛利人委員會咪發現，人看起來談論時代進步嘅，唔過同當前嘅毛利文化差引來影響。
I think for many years we've believed that the way to handle the new technologies has been coin some new words that describe your new technologies and incorporate them into your, your promotion of using the language in the home and the community and wherever else the people are. But the longer you do that, and the more you do that, the more distant or removed your language is going to grow away from the culture. Right? It's going to end up not really being connected to your culture and you know, the life of your ancestors. It's going to become more and more about your language being used to describe a Western world.
The other issue with native speakers is that these people in our community and society are older, and that whole group is shrinking over time. So people with cultural integrity and cultural memory are becoming fewer in number, and there is no deliberate strategy right now by the government to engage them in designing a pathway forward for the language, for the cultural integrity of the language.
就算喺大家嘅努力下，毛利人佢從年間日翻生嘅，唔過佢到毛利人講係係佢值得受理嘅，因為人係眼裡族群文化，最裡面怕會變啊佢從用毛利詩講英文，咁毛利人就算冇乜係，要代表乜人咯。 客家新闻冯阳山、吴义勇，台纽西兰嘅采访报道。